What's up, YouTube? This your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy of tech. As you can see, you see that Xfinity sign right there. I'm about to go inside and see what's up. I'm in the Chicago location, 53rd Street. Let's make it happen. Yes, sir. I'm inside the store right now. The iPhone, the 10s and the 10s Max or whatever came out today or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you guys how I feel in the hand and all that whatever before we even get to deciding whether I'm going to get it or whatever and review it. So here we go.
Tanna.
Oh my, oh my, oh my God. 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 Oh my, oh my, oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? The XS, the regular one, felt like the iPhone 10 itself or whatever. But that SX Max, the 10S Max, that one is pretty all right. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely the size iPhone that I wanted last year. You know what I'm saying? That would have been perfect if they came out with it last year. But hell, better late than never, but it's worth a cop. Let me flip the camera around, let y'all see what I'm talking about. Here we go. All right, the phone you're looking at now is the Apple 10s Max right there on Xfinity Mobile. You're gonna be paying like $45.83 a month and everything. Let me lift it on up so you guys can really see what's going on and everything. Yes, indeed. This is that new gold color. This boy right here is smack. This is smacking in person, no doubt about it. The screen looks pretty damn good, which is to be expected and everything. But that's the same form factor, you know what I'm saying, that I wanted last year. Because last year, if y'all remember, I copped this boy right here, the 8 Plus, you know what I'm saying? I was really happy, but I always thought that if they filled the whole screen up like they did on the Apple, on the 10 or whatever, that'd be lit, right? That 8 Plus would be lit, right? But so that's what they did with the 10s Max. So there it is. And honestly, people, feeling the hand, even though it got this big old cord on the back, this boy here is pretty solid and pretty damn good, no doubt about it. And the gold color, you got to see that in person. It's popping. I like it, no doubt about it. Yes, indeed. As far as the regular 10s right here, ain't too much change from the regular 10 as far as size and form factor, but the chip did upgrade to the A12 chip and everything. And the price for that, $41.67 a month on Xfinity Mobile. Yes, indeed. But the special is right here to your right. You know what I'm saying? If you go ahead and put your number over or activate a line or whatever, you get $300 cash back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it's definitely worth it. And to let you know I ain't finessing you, there it is for the Apple SX Max 2, $300 holla. All right, everybody. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's wrap this up. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Mad shout out to Xfinity Mobile, my boy Derek, and Tanisha, thanks for your help up here. You dig.